All right, this video is how to create an album. And this is a way that you can organize some of your photographs that you've taken. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the left side map. And over here you're going to see the word albums. And then you're going to slide over and you're going to hit this little plus sign. And we're going to go create an album. And then it's going to give us this box in the middle. And then we need to call it something. So this is going to be kite students. All right, and then we're going to create that. Bam. Now we got to find pictures of kite students. So here we go. We're going to go this one, and then we're going to go over and we're going to hit the command key, click on that one, hold the command key down, click on that one, and then we're just going to slide through the videos. So I'm just going to go through this whole album of 800 some photos and find all the ones that are the students, and I'm going to highlight them and pull them in. I'm just going to pull this over into that little area there. It's 55 photos. Bam. Now I got 56 photos in there. So anyway, once you've got all of the photos that you want highlighted, you take your mouse, you push your cursor on one of them, and you drag it over to the album and just drop it in. And that's how you get them in there. And here's another way you can do it. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to hit the Shift key. I'm going to slide all the way down to here. It highlights all of them. And then I'm going to pull those in. It gives me a quick way of doing it. Now, let's find some more. I think that's it. Oh, here's one here. Got one there. And I do believe that's our last one. Let's pull that in there. All right, now let's go ahead and look at it. So these are all the photos of the students. And now we can go in and figure out what we're going to do with them. So that's how you create an album and how you can pull the photos actually into that album, the easy way. And how you drop and drag, highlight, and pull the photos into those albums. Now you can make all kinds of albums here. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Lightroom. And peace out.